So we're going to start with the pectoralis muscles. Here's the left and the right. In order to see the biceps brachii, these need to be reflected, but they're reflected on a different pig. So the neck muscles are shown here. These two are the sternohyoid muscles. They go from the sternum to the hyoid bone. The two muscles lateral from them are the sternomastoid muscles. Here is the masseter. It's the big jaw muscle. Right here is going to be the myohyoid, and these two are the digastric muscles. And those are the only muscles of the neck. Keep in mind that the platysma has to be reflected to see any of these. The next pig, here's the platysma. It is not reflected. It covers all of the neck muscles that I just showed. The biceps brachii is right here. See how the pectoralis muscles had to be reflected to show it. Then we'll go to the arm. First we'll start at the trapezius muscle, which starts about mid-back and goes all the way up and becomes the deltoid right about here. You can see how it connects. Then the triceps brachii, you see the lines between. It's just three muscles on the posterior humerus. The latissimus dorsi kind of starts in the same area as the trapezius, but it goes under the arm. So we consider this area the latissimus dorsi. The rectus abdominis is here, and the two oblique muscles are here and here. Now to the leg. The very first muscle that you will see, the lateral most muscle, is going to be the biceps femoris. This one has to be reflected to show most of the leg muscles, so it's almost always cut. Right here, from the back, lower back, all the way to the knee is going to be the tensor fascia lata, or fasciae latae, or however you want to say it. Once we reflect the biceps femoris, there's an L shape that's made from the hip bone. It connects at the hip bone. This muscle is the gluteus medius, and this one is the vastus lateralis. They make up the L. Down here, the calf muscle, this is considered the ankle, and here's the knee right here. So the calf muscle, or gastrocnemius, is right here, this muscle. The semitendinosus muscle is the one immediately deep to the biceps femoris on the back of the thigh, right here. And then the next medial is the semimembranosus. And then the gracilis always has to be reflected to show the semimembranosus. So this is the reflected gracilis. And we remember by tender meat. Biceps femoris, semitendinosus, semimembranosus, and then of course medial most gracilis. And the rectus femoris is right under the vastus lateralis. You can also see it from this angle. It's right here. And then this will be the vastus medialis. It's right above the semimembranosus and the gracilis, but it's below the rectus femoris. And those are all the muscles.